Okay, this is 615 South 11th Street, Unit 2. Okay, beautiful Bella Vista / Washington Square. Right down the street from a Whole Foods and an Acme. And a really short walk to Center City. Also a short walk to Passyunk, in the Hawthorne neighborhood. Okay. This is the entrance. It's a 3-unit building. This is the top level unit.
Just come into the building, and Unit 2 is the top floor. You have these beautiful wide stairs going up, and then after you finish this, you will have a 2 bedroom unit, a beautiful 2-bedroom unit. I will show you top of the floor in a minute. Hello everyone, I'm inside Unit 1 of 615 South 11th Street. It is a beautiful 2-bed, 1-bath unit. The first thing you see as you walk up the stairs is the kitchen. Kitchen has this beautiful hardwood floor and a lot of cabinet space, and 2 small windows for a natural light. In the kitchen you have a gas oven and cooktop, a dishwasher, a refrigerator, and also you have a garbage disposal. As you could see, this place gets a lot of natural light. And the next place I would like to show you is this huge living room. The place has a high ceiling, and this room has a lot of natural light, tons of natural light. You have these 2 huge windows on the front of the building, and also by the kitchen where I just came from, you have that smaller window, and it is very bright and big, very big living room. The bedrooms are upstairs, so the first bedroom will be here. It is a nice size bedroom. You have a closet space over there, and the current tenant are putting a shelf in there, are using it. That space, they put a shelf inside, and they are using it that way. It's nice, good size bedroom. Here in the hallway, you have this very nice size closet space. Whole unit has beautiful hardwood floor, and then you have this full bath. In the bathroom you have a tile floor, tile wall, bathtub and shower combo. You have a window for fresh air. You also have here a medicine cabinet, sink, and the toilet. You also have additional cabinet for storage. Next is the master bedroom, and here you have this huge closet space. On my left, you have this room where you have your washer and dryer, and also water boiler here. It's nicely neat. You also have some space for storage, shelves here for your detergent stuff. And last is this master bedroom. It's a beautiful master bedroom. You have a high ceiling, a beautiful hardwood floor, 2 huge windows for the natural light. You'll be looking out to 11th Street. This is what the bedroom looks like from this angle. It's a nice, beautiful bedroom. And also here on my left, you have additional closet space. All right, I just showed you a 2-bed and 1 bath unit. At 615 South 11th Street. It is the top floor unit. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. I thank you for watching. Bye.